Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the JumpTask app. First, download the application from your preferred app store, whether it's for Android or iOS. Next, create an account using your email or by connecting a supported crypto wallet, which takes less than 1 minute. You'll then complete a quick profile setup, typically taking under 5 minutes, to personalize your experience and unlock initial earning opportunities. It's a straightforward process, designed to get you started earning quickly and efficiently. JumpTask offers several dynamic ways to earn. You can complete short surveys, participate in diverse microtasks like data entry or content moderation, or even stake your crypto for passive income. Tasks vary in complexity and reward, with some offering a few cents and others several dollars. Browse the available tasks, read the instructions carefully, and choose those that best fit your skills and time. There are hundreds of tasks available daily, providing ample opportunities. Tracking your earnings is simple within the app's intuitive dashboard, which updates in real time. When you're ready to withdraw, navigate to the wallet section. You can transfer your earned Jump tokens directly to your connected crypto wallet with just a few taps. There's often a minimum withdrawal threshold, typically around 10 Jump tokens, and transactions are usually processed within a few minutes, ensuring quick and easy access to your hard-earned funds. To maximize your earnings, consistently check for new tasks and complete them accurately and efficiently. Participating in higher-paying tasks, like longer surveys or more complex microtasks, can significantly boost your income. If you encounter any issues, the app provides a comprehensive help center and a responsive support team ready to assist you. You can also join the vibrant community forums to share tips and get advice from other users, fostering a collaborative earning environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.